Hello friends, in this video we are going to make Among Us version paper fidget spinners. I'm using single A4 sheet of paper. I'm taking length of fidget spinner as 10 cm. I'm making rectangular box of 2.4 into 10 cm. You can add more number of layers also. More the number of layer, more will be the strength. For proper balancing of weight, we need exact midpoint. All these pieces are cut and glued individually and left overnight so that it becomes very hard. If you have a printer, instead of drawing, you can directly take the printout. Now the spin time is very less, so we need to add extra weight. I'm using 2 coins for the weights. Cutting of this extra piece is necessary because it causes more friction and reduces the spin time. If you are going to make this project, let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.